This is the OASIS News Organization. Oh no.
Today's report is about closing in the front wall, putting in a couple doors, a little skinny window, and the excellent use of a silly piece of pink plexiglass. I've gotten up to this point. It's approximately September 23rd, 2016, and now I feel like I'm one hell of a carpenter. Of course I'm a hell of a carpenter. Looky there, I got the left side put up. I have got the right side put up with a bunch of LUAN. I've got the back put up with a door that was pre-hung that opens. I've got a roof that I've got around to finishing. Don't know if it leaked or not. But looking from the inside, this is the first door I hung, and there's a couple things wrong with that, but we'll wait till I get the other door put up, and I'll show you all the different ONO ways that I attempted to put up doors. I got the second door put up, and from a distance, doesn't look too bad. Now, it just so happens that these are not exterior doors. They are interior doors. And the way I should really do that is put 2 or 3 coats of paint on there of that nice lilac or fuchsia. I think I've been calling it fuchsia. Because the fuchsia paint on there to go with my color coordinated pink plexiglass thingamabob. Well, it's not a thingamabob, it's kind of a window. Privacy window. ONO 1 is you look at the floor there and you see that sunlight coming through there, and that sunlight is not even because the floor is not level. I can live with that. On the far left and far right hand side of those 2 doors, see sunlight coming through there, and I didn't chisel out the wood where the hinges are supposed to be offset, inset, flush with the 2x4, and that's the way you're supposed to do it, but this is ONO. Now I just heard one of you ONO say, well look Groovy, the way you're supposed to do it is get exterior doors. Well, exterior doors are hard to find. They're heavy. Interior doors are abundant out there when I'm junking in Dallas. They're lightweight, and remember what? Keep it cheap, stupid. Hey, and by the way, you smart aleck front door guy, is it really that important that your floor is level in a cabin that's really my temporary shelter while I'm building the OASIS News Organization's World Headquarters Entertainment and Rehab Center? I don't think so. Test number 1, do the doors open? Yay! Test number 2, will the doors close? Well, sure they do. It's another yay! The final test, number 3, will they open again? You bet they do. Yee-haw! Here at the OASIS, I am awfully proud of myself about my swinging doors. I mean, they work so good that even 3 peacocks have come through. That's the doorbell for what's in your closet. When you're on your off grid, this is the weekend, you just feel like you got to get away and go down to your local honky-tonk and do a little boot scooting. Well, here in PC County, there's only one, and it's a little old redneck place called the Dewdrop Inn. You might have heard about it. Charlie Daniels had to stop in there one time to get a flat tire fixed while he was on his way to California. What you're looking at here are the finest boots I've ever had in my life. They're Tony Lama's, handmade, full quill ostrich. That's the brittle color. And pointed toes. None of those duckbill things that those red dirt country boys are wearing these days. But I slide these Tony Lamas on, and I swear I can waltz across Texas with you, darling. If you've got a cabin, you gotta have yourself a front porch. I was fortunate enough that my brother-in-law, he used to have all of his dog houses sitting up on these pallets. Now these are black plastic pallets, and they are great. If you can ever pick up a bunch of them, I strongly suggest doing it because they don't rot away. Now what I did was I laid them down there, and no, I did not use that damn level on these. Took a couple of fence pickets and screwed them into the sides there to hold everything together, and it's worked out great. Staying with the fuchsia color scheme, I even painted one of my chairs that I picked up curb junking in Dallas, and stay with that lovely color scheme. Now, something I've noticed about myself, and I've noticed about a whole bunch of off-grid cabin builders, is that you get your thing dried in and you start throwing all your crap in there. It's perfectly reasonable to start throwing all your crap in there. But, as you can see, the interior is not finished. Well, then you have to move all your crap around to finish the interior. And my interior isn't finished yet. And it's, what is it? January, February, March, April? Is this April? April 2020. If you're new to junking, looking for that curb lumber, I want to impress upon you that when you see odd pieces like that piece of pink plexiglass, you need to pick it up. If it's odd, pick it up. No, I did not pick up Winono out there on the streets of East Dallas to junking. Although she would fit right in with some of those ladies running up and down the streets. Today's report is dedicated to that band, Charlie Daniels Band. Album, Fire on the Mountain. And I tell you what, I wore this one out. The song, Long-Haired Country Boy. The lyric, people say I'm no good, crazy as a loon, 'cause I get stoned in the morning and I get drunk in the afternoon. Kinda like my old blue tick hound, like to lay around in the shade. And I ain't got no money, but I damn sure have got it made. When I'm down here on the Oasis, I damn sure have got it made. And when
Remember, ONOs, world peace begins at home.